Mariasu's unique mixing machine that doesn't mix, Maze-Con.
That's right, it mixes anything without actually mixing. No matter what the materials are, it can handle them. Whether it's a main material with a specific gravity of around 0.9, a pigment with a specific gravity over 1, or a lightweight recycled material with a specific gravity of 0.2 or 0.3, it can mix anything. Let's actually experiment. Now, the machine is running. Ishikawa-san, what mixing ratio will we use for the experiment?
Let's go with 50% main material and 50% pigment.
And the mixing volume?
25 kilograms per hour and 25 kilograms per hour.
Got it. So, we're mixing at 50 kilograms per hour in total with a 50% and 50% ratio. This is the footage of it in action. Now, let's check the mixing state.
Yes, we'll collect the mixed material and measure it for 1 minute.
I see, that's the current footage.
Yes, it is.
Let's take a closer look at the material flow. How does it look?
It's going in smoothly.
Let's sort the material collected in 1 minute with tweezers to check the accuracy. We'll report the data at a later date, so please look forward to it.
Next, we'll conduct a small-scale mixing experiment with a blue material with a specific gravity of 1.1 at 300 grams per hour and a 6% ratio.
Interesting. Let's try it. Can it really maintain accuracy? Earlier, you saw the 50% and 50% experiment. Now let's see if it works with smaller amounts. Let's run it. How does it look?
Just like before, it's going in smoothly.
From the top of this antlion system, can you see any blue pigment accumulating?
Oh, not at all.
So, the mysterious antlion system is sucking it all in.
Amazing.
Exactly, like an antlion trap, everything that falls in is being sucked in. As you can see, the blue pigment is coming out from the tip of the test machine without accumulating anywhere, Ishikawa-san.
Yes, that's right.
Let's collect the material for 1 minute and check the ratio accuracy. How does the flow look, Ishikawa-san?
Yes, it's flowing smoothly.
There's no clumping.
No, it's coming out evenly mixed.
I see. Can you confirm that the pigment, which fell uniformly into the antlion system, is coming out from the test machine's tip in the same state?
Yes, I confirmed that.
The state of dropping 300 grams per hour bit by bit is being maintained as it comes out from the test machine. If you check the color, you can see that it's definitely mixed.
Next, we'll perform a 5-material mixing experiment with the main material and 25 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 1 kilogram, and 0.3 kilograms per hour of 4 submaterials. Will it really mix?
Leave it to us. First, look at these units where materials are stored. We call this unit the mixing unit. Each mixing unit has a weighing function, and the control unit monitors the current situation to ensure the set amount is being discharged accurately. We'll explain the accuracy of the cut material later with data. When the 4 submaterials fall into the antlion system, we want to check if any material is accumulating on the surface or if the amount of material inside the antlion system is increasing. We're cutting out and dropping the submaterials, but is the material inside the antlion system increasing?
Oh, it's not increasing.
As I said, everything that falls in is being sucked into the antlion. In this experiment, we're using different colors for each material, but do you see any particular color standing out on the surface?
Not at all.
Right? So, it means nothing accumulates anywhere and everything can be fed into the extruder in a spectacular state. Now, let's look at the test machine's tip. Ishikawa-san, how does it look at the tip?
It seems to be coming out as set.
I see. Is there any particular color coming out excessively?
No, there isn't.
Even with 4 submaterials, the state of the material as it was dropped is maintained and comes out uniformly from the test machine's tip, meaning the mixing unit's discharge state is directly reflected in the extruder. Can you imagine that?
Yes, I can.
We'll also collect this for 1 minute and later sort the material to report back. Thank you very much for watching various experiments. Some may worry if lightweight recycled materials can be mixed, so we'll prepare those materials and show the mixing state later. Whether the apparent specific gravity is 0.2 or 0.3, as long as we have the materials and this device, it will mix. Thank you very much for your precious time today.